Hello folks. Alright, some update what's cooking here in my garage. So technically all welds are done. So actually I'm now putting all together just to see like a final assembly, not a final or pre-final assembly, to check if all goes if if all goes okay. So yeah, everything is done, everything is welded, all in place, all works. Bloody tank cost me a lot of nerves, I can tell you, lots of nerves. Finally I put it, 60 hours at least working on the tank to put it on. Yeah, look here what I've got. Сделано в СССР, made in USSR. This is a Zaporozhets car blinkers, ZAS, actually made in Ukraine. The luggage rack is from FLH from 70s. Fork is from Ironhead and blah blah blah. So all done. My nicely welded tank, I'm proud of it. Yeah. So I have to drill only a few holes and to connect the lines with the oil lines. And the front end is at my friend's now because the wheel was a little bit on the left side and I had it to move. And I had it to move by moving these spikes. And I'm not good at that, so I gave it to the old chopper guy, you know. He's real old, he knows how to do it. So he will move me 5 millimeters and I will have just in line. And that is done also. So the front light is done, and I also need to make a new handlebars. Otherwise everything is done. An engine is still empty there, no pistons. I have to put the pistons in. So, all right guys, just to tell you, this is not a blog here how to do the motorcycles. It's about what I'm doing with the motorcycle. That's why I'm not showing you videos how I'm welding and cutting and all this, you know, shit, because it takes time and I'm so slowly, you know, and scratching in the nose, thinking and etc. So I'm just showing you result. Somebody maybe would like to see what you can do, some ideas about Sportster. Again, I do this Sportster only because there are not so many drop seaters, you know, with the swing arm. You can see drop seaters with the like hardtails and etc. But this one is a drop seater with the still with the soft suspension, so that I can, how to say, save my back, you know, because my back after riding 10 years hardtails is not good anymore. I'm still very young though. Okay, so next video will be when I will start, I guess when I will start assembling it. Maybe I will put it on the side, the camera, and with the fast movie mode you can see in few minutes how I will assemble it to the final assembly. I guess that will be my second video. Thank you. Have a good times. Rock and roll. Karma Bobber.